What's up guys, and it's time to talk about the real Samsung Galaxy Fold 2. We all thought that this was the next big foldable phone, but turns out it's a different kind of product, a clamshell foldable phone with the specs of 2019. It's targeted towards a specific market, a specific unique set of people, and definitely not the best of Samsung that we're gonna see this year. So that will be the Galaxy Fold 2. As always, the main man Max is back at it again with some amazing news. According to Max, Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 will come in second half of this year with a lot of exciting changes. First up, it's gonna have a bigger 8-inch display compared to the 7.3-inch we've seen on the original Fold, so that is a nice increase in the display size, and also the design is expected to change as well. This year Samsung has made a uniform design across all its devices, whether it's mid-range or flagship phones, all of them have this punch hole towards the middle. So we most likely can see a punch hole implementation on the Galaxy Fold 2. Again, that is yet to be confirmed. And just like the original Galaxy Fold, it's going to use a ultra thin glass layer, hopefully with a very minimal crease. Now just like the last year's Galaxy Fold, the Galaxy Fold 2 will be based on the Galaxy S20 Ultra family, particularly the S20 Ultra. So the Fold 2 is expected to get the 108 megapixel primary camera. We're not sure if it's going to adopt the zoom setup as well, but the primary camera is rumored to come to this model. Along with that, we have Snapdragon 865 chipset with 5G connectivity and 12 gigs of RAM. And perhaps the biggest change, something Samsung should have done the first time around, is the inclusion of the S Pen. Yes, this time around the Galaxy Fold 2 will be coming with the S Pen built in, so you'll get a proper Galaxy Note kind of experience out of this phone. It's really going to be a mashup of a tablet, Note experience, and the S lineup with its amazing specs. Now, whether you like the original Galaxy Fold or not, I think everyone can agree that it was the most innovative product of the last year. And while there are other foldable phones announcements, Samsung is the only company who successfully launched this phone worldwide in major markets. I don't personally own a Galaxy Fold, but I have used it numerous times at events, and I checked it out at Samsung store as well. It really is a one-of-a-kind innovative product, and it's about to get even better with the Fold 2 coming in the second half of the year. Now, in case you still don't know, Samsung will be announcing the S20 Ultra family along with the Galaxy Z Flip on February 11th, which is going to be really exciting. We have some more details on the Galaxy Z Flip. It's going to have the wireless power share, which will let you charge other devices while placing them on this phone, which is going to be exciting. Again, it's very much based on the S10 family as far as its major specs are concerned. Now, all Galaxy S20 models can do 8K video recording at 30 or 24 frames per second. The S20 Ultra will use its primary camera for 8K because it has 108 megapixel resolution, whereas the S20 and S20 Plus will use its telephoto lens, which is actually coming at 64 megapixels. So this special sensor will allow for 8K video recording. It's nice that Samsung is giving this option across all S20 models. Again, we'll see if there's any difference in quality between the S20 Ultra compared to these two models when these phones are out officially, which is again happening on February 11th. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What you think about the Galaxy Fold 2? Does it sound exciting to you? Drop your comments and make sure to subscribe to the channel for daily tech videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.